Transform the look and feel of your vehicle's interior with FH Group's Edgy piping seat covers. The bold, vibrant trim cleverly accents the striking color of the covers, offering a stunning, edgy design. Made of polyester fabric, these high-quality covers are lightweight yet durable and designed to protect your upholstery from everyday wear and tear. The center panel features 3D air mesh fabric, which is made with advanced stitching, allowing the material to stretch and breathe. The built-in zippers allow access to all the vehicle's seat controls, including center console and cup holders. The rear seat covers can accommodate both solid or split bench seats, and a mesh extension is included to cover the exposed sides. This full seat cover set can accommodate traditional heated or cooled seats. Special stitching allows for side airbag deployment. The tag is easily visible and should be facing the door. And the bucket seat features a slip pocket at the back to keep personal items within an arm's reach. Enjoy the stylish yet practical benefits of your Edgy piping seat covers with 3D air mesh design. This full set comes complete with 2 front seat covers, 1 rear backrest cover, 1 rear bench cover, and 5 headrest covers. Choose from 5 colorful designs and personalize your ride today.